टेस्टिंग टेस्टिंग हॉटेल हाँ हॉटेल दोनों का ना टेस्ट मैडम टेस्टिंग हुई था
And on 25th May, the CM made a statement saying that if you have a COVID test, which is as per the ICMC, I have already taken the COVID test, and moreover, he said that all the pregnant women with the pregnant ladies and with kids, they will be home quarantined directly. But right now, they are saying 7 days quarantine is mandatory. And moreover, the social distancing here, everything is so bad, I can understand what will be the hotel stay. So even if I'm not COVID positive right now, definitely with the process of the government right now, I will be COVID positive. And this is really not fair, and the statements are kept on changing. This is not fair. We are preparing and we are coming here. They can't keep on changing the statements and the SOPs again and again.
Can you speak about your pregnancy?
Yeah, I'm pregnant, 8 months pregnant, and I have a child also, and I'm all alone. And they're not even entertaining me. They're saying I'm arguing with them because I'm just discussing my medical statement with them, my medical state with them. So I don't think so. This is at all fair, and this is absolutely unfair. I'm going to be sitting here till the time they give me a solution. I'm not going anywhere.
Thank you so much.
मरने के बाद यू विल टेक केयर चांगला आहे तर बाकी घेऊन आहे बाकीला
Home quarantine as per the MHA guidelines. Test me. If I'm negative, please send me for home quarantine. I have a home. You can come, send someone and inspect my house. I have a baby. I cannot stay alone with him in any hotel. I don't know your hotels are good, your hotels are bad. I don't know what category of your hotels are. Just to save money, if I go for a cheaper hotel, if it's a B grade hotel or some third class hotel, I cannot guarantee you that. So please, I need a home quarantine. I'm not going to move from here on any paid quarantine facility. I'm not going to risk my life or something.
See, I came on this impression because it is 14 days home quarantine, and secondly, they never informed. These tickets were also just like that one day before people. And quarantine amount is so high. Everybody should have money, right? It's not that we are coming from Dubai, that means we have a tree of money there when we are plucking and bringing it here. So now we have to call our homes, get the money. If they have at this hour, it's fine. If not, where are we supposed to go?
True. You're pregnant, right? Right. Okay. Thank you so much, Ahmed.
I care for my family. If my wife is pregnant, ये मतलब ही police, you are selfish. You are caring only your family. You are caring for other pregnant women. I am caring. My wife is pregnant. Other ladies also are pregnant. That's why I care. The same thing I understand. You are.
ना ट्रॉली बिल्कुल ना क्या और बच्चे सामान पढ़न मोर चलो कौन को जवाबदारी तो नहीं है
कोण्या हॉटेलात जेवण चलना your hotel is certified, your cook who is cooking is certified, so kid जेवण खाता kid कोता who knows about it? We are not looking. Tomorrow if miscarriage becomes आणि किद झालं कोण responsible? अभी हाँ अंधेरे में दिखा मना था 2,700. कारण को क्वारंटाइन को रहा है. In case कोण बाहेर येईल नो त्या 1 year imprisonment लगाला है. If you want we will sign and give now. If we don't follow the rules. This is called protocol. If you want to follow protocol, okay, sign and give. We will sign and give you that we will be for 7 days, 14 days at home. If we break that, put us inside the bar.
3 weeks to get this flight from Dubai. We send messages to all the current scheduling government, but we didn't get any response for the direct flight. There are more people stranded in UAE to come to Dubai, Goa, but nobody is taking care of them. This we struggled. We got a support from Valencia Rodriguez, who came in front and he told he will have, and that's how we got this flight. From Goa government we didn't get any support. Okay. So now we are here. Now we don't have quarantine facility.
No calls, no WhatsApp. They don't even respond.
You can see this. These are the people who work for us to be here back in our homeland. These are the people. All right? It's not the Goa government. They do not do anything for us.
They don't respond to our calls, no emails, no WhatsApp, nothing. They are just sleeping. No MLAs are also coming further to help us out.
कितना बजे से होल्डिंग कर रहे हैं कुछ काम नहीं हो रहा है इधर पेशेंट इधर बच्चा है पेट में
आणि प्रेग्नेंट बायलो दोन जीव हा
किती त्रास दादा किती मागतात ते डॉक्युमेंट
आमचं किती जाय जाणा फर्स्ट टेस्ट करा आणि दोरा पॉझिटिव्ह आल्यार घेऊन वसा नेगेटिव्ह जाल्यार आमकां घरा धाडा आमकडे पैसे ना आम्ही बेकार आहा
दे आर टेलिंग
3 महिने आम्ही बेकार
ते मोठे प्रेग्नेंट वुमना हॉस्पिटलांत धाडाय हॉटेलांत धाडाय क्वारंटायना आणि हॉटेलांत धाड उपरांत तुगे घरासून फॅमिली मेंबरां आपय ताका हेल्प करपा सो दॅट इज इन्क्रीजिंग क्वारंटायन और डिक्रीजिंग क्वारंटायन पयश करपा why family members have to come from home?
Yeah.
If you all have problem that they have quarantine people, then why you are getting family member increase kota aning vadoita?
आणि किती जाणा केरला पोय स्टेट
किती एक्सेप्ट करना गवर्नमेंट हिंग हाडपा गवर्नमेंट रेडी ना 1,02,000 लोक येयला हिंगा तरी पूण हिंग गवर्नमेंट रोटा पैसा काय सपोर्ट दिना फॉर वॉट फाल भुरग्यांक तेंगे पोटा भुरगे आहा की जाल्यार हूज रिस्पॉन्सिबल इज प्रमोद सावंत रिस्पॉन्सिबल बाय विश्वजीत राणे गे चेडू येला ते कित्याक क्वारंटायन ना दुसरे मिनिस्टरागे येयला कित्याक क्वारंटायन नाय only rules for these poor people for us I have 2 stents. I have done operation for my heart surgery. I brought my wife here because she's pregnant. I can't take care. In aning fana podlo bro. Are what I'm saying, you check. If we are positive, direct, don't put hospital fanangal bhitor. But if negative, send home na. Kitya poish korba amge itu NRA itu poish data oit hui. We are sending remittance. They poish oit hui. Government only know to take, can't help. Police is seeing and taking so much trouble outside to go home. And ये गारा मुंशा मुटाई यो आने quarantine को range मारबोर, COVID मारबोर. This is our mentality of Goans. And on down to I don't know his name. This fellow, he cannot solve the problem of people. He don't know.
Starting from
Okay, we actually have 3 groups of WhatsApp where we gathered all the people. We have no support from the Goa government to come here. We have got help from Valencia. We have Altaf. We have a team who's been working with the embassy, with the MEA to get people over here. And today we have got a first flight. We are not even allowed to go home. We don't know what is happening at the airport. There is nothing organized. People are coming and telling us to give the passports. They're not even touching our passports. They're just making us stand. We have all the videos which we have. We don't know what is happening. It's almost 4 o'clock in the morning. We don't know where to go. There are pregnant ladies. There are kids are crying. We don't know what is happening. We have no support from the Goa government.
हॉटेलाचे चार्जेस आनी कितें
पयली गोष्ट म्हणल्यार मातशी चिंतात तुमी गोंयकारांक भायल्यान हाडल्यात बाबा तांचे कितें सिच्युएशन आसा कितें त्रास कितें प्रेग्नेंट लेडीज बाबा प्रेग्नेंट लेडी तुमी म्हणटात सोशल डिस्टन्सींग म्हणटात मातशें भितर पळयात कितें सोशल डिस्टन्सींग सगळे कडेन तुमकां पयशे जाय कशें जातलें पयशे ना म्हण आमी हांगा येतात आनी तुमी हांगा असले हांगा करपाक बसल्यात कशें जातलें कितले हांगा लोक त्रास करतात ते पळय भितर
कितले पयशे सांगले आनी कितें सांगलें तुमकां पयशे
सगळे कडेन पयशे हॉटेल बुकींग करपाक पयशे टॅक्साक पयशे बस ट्रान्सपोर्टेशनाक पयशे सगळे कडेन पयशे 2 फॅमिली आसले मिनिमम म्हाका 10 ते 15,000 कॅश जाय कॅशान जाय
18,000 पर हेड
पळय आयकात 18,000 म्हणटा
18,000 पर हेड
मागीर हॉटेलाक पयशे सगळे कडेन पयशेच पयशे कशें जातलें आनी वयल्यान हॉटेल सिलेक्ट करपाचें मिनिमम 1,100 रुपयांचें हॉटेल डायरेक्ट 7,000 रुपया कशें जातलें चिंतात तुमी म्हणजे पळयात
नांव कितें म्हटलें
म्हजें नांव कॉन्फिडेन्शियल
ओके
12 o'clock the other day in the morning, but no one is looking at anything. Brother, I know video.
मीडिया से
Bhai,
कार्ड है मेरे पास
क्यों नहीं करेगा? क्यों वीडियो
take care also. If I get infection, who will take care of me?
Who will take care of the pregnant ladies?
This guy has.
They don't have food, nothing. This guy is telling, get your family members.
8 months pregnant
With the
lady
pregnant
there
lady.
crying inside.
This guy, Koish Kurma, from here to go, Kolwa, they asking 500.
We have all the medical reports.
अरे मेडिकल चेकअप पॉझिटिव्ह हा झाला
Before entering the flight, no, they took our test. They already. If you have fever, anything, they will not let you board the flight. Already they took test. Because we are not positive.
क्या होना?
You can speak over there with the media.